children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and this week we have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, our clothes. Okay, so day before yesterday children, I gave you this chapter's 2 videos. Okay, I gave you 2 videos, part 1 and part 2 for this chapter, and in part 1 video I have explained you the half chapter, and in part 2 video I have explained you the hard words. Okay, so which can also come in the form of missing letters. Is that clear children? Now today I am going to complete the leftover chapter which was left that day, and I will explain it to you. Then we will do one book exercise as well as one notebook exercise. So are you all ready children? Very good. So children, first of all I want to ask you all that I hope you all have completed your previous work of this chapter which I gave you on Tuesday. And those who have not completed children, make sure first you will complete the work, previous work, and then only you will start with your today's work. Okay, I want all your work to be done in sequential order. Clear to you all? Now first of all, take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book number 1, that is for class 1, and then please turn to page number 23, chapter number 7, our clothes. Okay, so first of all I will give you a short recap because it will help you to recall whatever what all you have learnt in this chapter before, and then we will continue with our today's work. Okay, so in this chapter children, I hope many of you must those who all have left and those who were not able to see my video before, so you can understand this much part from today's video and then you can start accordingly. Okay, so today children, first of all I will give you a short recap of this chapter, what we have done on Tuesday. In this chapter we are going to learn about clothes. Okay, as you all know that our body is very important for all of us, so we have to take good care of our body. Okay, so for taking good care of our body, first step is, what is the first step children? The first step to take good care of our body is to wear clothes to cover our body. We should wear proper clothes to cover our body. Okay, and why do we wear clothes? Because clothes protects us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clear? And we should always wear clean and well ironed clothes. अच्छे से साफ कपड़े और अच्छे से आयरन किए हुए कपड़े हम लोगों को हमेशा पहनने चाहिए, because they make us look smart and tidy. Okay, then we have learnt in this chapter about that we wear different kinds of clothes during different seasons. Okay, there are 3 main seasons in India. One is summer, one is second is winter, and the third is monsoon. Okay, so during summer we wear different clothes, during winters we wear different clothes, and during rainy season or monsoon season we wear different clothes. So in summer we wear cotton clothes to keep us cool. Okay, and cotton we get from cotton plant, and as well as in winter we wear woolen clothes, and woolen clothes are made up of wool, so we get wool from sheep. And in the last we have studied that day that we wear raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas on rainy days. Whenever you are going out and if you think that it will rain today, then you take your raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas with you so that you will be protected from rain. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this part. Very good. Now today we are going to start with another 2 topics. The first one is special occasions. Now what are special occasions children? Usually we wear normal clothes. Okay, you are staying at home, you are wearing normal clothes. Okay, घर के कपड़े आप पहने हो बिल्कुल हल्के फुल्के. But whenever you are going for a special occasion, like you are going for a birthday party, or you are going for a wedding party, or you are celebrating any kind of festivals, so for that time, for those special occasions, you always wear new clothes and you always wear beautiful and colorful clothes. Okay, अभी आप जो घर में कपड़े पहने हो, लाइट सा, कोई बॉयज़ ने कोई एक लाइट सा शर्ट पहना होगा या टी शर्ट पहना होगा और शॉर्ट्स पहने होंगे, ओके, या जीन्स पहना होगा, और गर्ल्स ने फ्रॉक पहना होगा घर की, या कुछ भी पहना होगा जो घर के कपड़े, आपका नाइट सूट या कुछ भी. बट whenever you are going for any special occasion, जब आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो, किसी फंक्शन में जाते हो, किसी पार्टी में जाते हो, या कोई भी फेस्टिवल आप सेलिब्रेट करते हो, तो क्या आप ये वाले कपड़े पहन के जाओगे? नो, आप अपने घर के कपड़े नहीं पहन के जा सकते. What you will wear? You will wear new, beautiful and colorful clothes. Is that clear? So special occasions, we wear beautiful and colorful clothes during festivals, birthdays, weddings and other special occasions. As you can see here, this is a picture of some festival which is being celebrated, and all the members of the family are wearing good clothes, colorful clothes and beautiful clothes. Okay, second picture shows this is a picture of a birthday party where these three kids are wearing new and beautiful clothes, colorful clothes to look good. And this third picture is showing you a wedding party. Okay, and you can see here everybody in this picture is wearing colorful and beautiful clothes. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood this topic. Now coming to the main topic for today, that is uniform. So children, what are uniform? You all know what is a uniform is. Uniform means एक सी ड्रेस सबके लिए, किसी भी एक जगह की ड्रेस जहाँ पे आप हो, अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो या आप कहीं जॉब कर रहे हो और वहाँ की ड्रेस है, तो दैट इज नोन एज अ यूनिफॉर्म. सो what is a uniform, children? In schools, all children wear similar clothes. Schools में बच्चे सब एक सी ड्रेस पहनते हैं. These clothes are called uniforms. जो एक सी similar clothes होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Uniforms. So you all know, children, that when you are going to school and you see that all the children of your school wear the same dress, same clothes, that means they are wearing uniform. Okay, you all wear uniform for your school and then you go to school. We must wear our school uniform every day when we go to school. You know that every day when you go to school, you wear only your school uniform. Okay, you don't come in your you don't come to school in your colorful dress. Okay, you just come in your uniform. Is that clear? Now next is, some people like doctors, lawyers, postmen, nurses and soldiers also wear special uniforms. Now instead of here we have talked about school uniform. Okay, now there are some other professions also, children, other people also that wear special uniforms. Like doctors, you must have seen doctors wearing white coat. Okay, so that is the uniform. Lawyers means advocates, जो वकील होते हैं, so they wear a black coat or a black gown with a white band in their neck. Okay, so that is their uniform. Then postman, you must have seen that whenever a postman comes to your house to deliver letters or post, then what does he wear? He wear a khaki pant and khaki shirt, okay, with a cap on his head. Okay, and nurses, you must have seen, children, in hospitals that nurses wear a white cap on their head and a white gown or a white dress they wear, and that dress is known as uniform for nurses. Okay, and at the last comes soldiers. Now soldiers are army people. Okay, so soldiers कौन होते हैं? जो देश के लिए लड़ते हैं. ओके, सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन चिल्ड्रन सोल्जर्स वेयर डिफरेंट यूनिफॉर्म्स. ओके, अगर नेवी के सोल्जर्स हैं तो दे विल वेयर डिफरेंट यूनिफॉर्म. अगर नॉर्मल सोल्जर्स हैं, ओके, so they will wear different uniforms. And if they are soldiers of aircraft, okay, so they will wear different uniforms. So coming to the next page, here you can see in these pictures doctor wearing a white coat with his stethoscope in his neck. Okay, so this is the uniform. Lawyer wearing a black coat or a black gown with a white band, this is their uniform. Postman wearing this uniform, and nurse wearing this, and soldier wearing this green uniform, okay, with a cap. So these are also some different these are some people, okay, who also wear special uniforms. Okay, you got my point. Now coming to the next part, we should take good care of our clothes. As I told you before also, हमें अपने clothes की बहुत अच्छे से देखभाल करनी चाहिए. We should always wear clean clothes. हमेशा साफ कपड़े, धुले कपड़े पहनने चाहिए. And good and clean clothes give us a smart look. अगर हम अच्छे, साफ सुथरे और बढ़िया कपड़े पहनेंगे तो हम एक स्मार्ट लुक, हमारा एक स्मार्ट लुक लगेगा. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood this chapter. This is very easy chapter. And now I'm switching off this video, and we are going to do the next video. And in my next video, children, you will see that I will explain you one book exercise and one notebook exercise. So for that, children, make sure first of all, children, watch my part 1 video very carefully, and then understand the topic, and then read it at home very nicely. And after that, switch on to my second part video, and from there you can understand other topic. Okay, so till then, bye bye, children.